I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you're losing subscribers on your YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the reason why most of us are losing subscribers on our YouTube channel. See, it is one thing to get subscribers, it's another thing to see our subscribers going. Some of us just wake up and we notice our subscribers have decreased. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you're losing subscribers on your YouTube channel. So if you know you want to grow on YouTube, if you know you want to keep your subscribers, make sure you watch this video to the end. The third reason is going to blow your mind because every single creator, especially small creators, we are still doing the same thing. And guys, you need to watch this video. So now, if you know you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscription button and hit on the notification bell so whenever I post videos, you're going to see them. And if you're already a subscriber, you know I got you all. Now, the first reason why you're losing subscribers on your channel is called YouTube purge. Yes, some of you may hear this for the first time. Most times, YouTube tries to make this platform safe for a lot of people. Okay, now I want you to understand when I mean YouTube purge, they are what we call inactive accounts. Some accounts on YouTube are dormant, especially those subscribers that just click on your subscription button and they're not active on YouTube. They don't even watch YouTube videos. YouTube has a way of actually deleting these accounts. Okay, so if your channel has some of these dormant accounts, you're going to notice that those subscribers will be deleted from your account. So this is one way you can actually lose subscribers. That's what we call inactive and dormant accounts. Not all accounts are active on YouTube. Some accounts are not even, proper accounts. Some accounts are just like accounts where people just open and used to do, this sub thing. And when YouTube notice such an account, they can actually delete or remove that subscriber count from your subscribers. So if you notice that you've lost subscribers on your channel, this could actually be one of the many reasons why you're losing those subscribers. So guys, you don't need to worry about that because YouTube has a way of regulating it and making this space safe for all creators. They're just trying to be fair so everyone can have organic and real subscribers to their channel. Now, the second reason why you could be losing subscribers is when you're uploading content your subscribers are no longer interested in. See, for example, you have a particular channel and you uploaded a video that is doing very well. I mean, that video could have been the highest views you've gotten on your channel, and you got a lot of subscribers from that particular video. And guys, you need to study that video that gave you those subscribers, because when you start doing something different from that particular video, you're going to notice your subscribers will reduce. A lot of persons actually subscribe to your channel because they're expecting you to give them that particular kind of content, right? Let's say, for example, you're telling someone how to get 1,000 subscribers, and that person actually subscribed to your channel with the mindset that this particular channel is going to help them grow on YouTube and all of that. And all of a sudden, you start dancing and you start traveling around the world. Well, most of them may not really be interested in that kind of content, and that is going to make some of them going ahead as unsubscribing to your channel. Yes, and also some of them may become dormant, they don't watch your videos. And if a particular channel stop watching videos on your YouTube channel, there's a way YouTube does this thing. They just go ahead and remove that channel automatically. So whenever you're creating content on YouTube, try to be very sensitive about what your audience want to see. It has happened to me a lot of times. I try to, switch content and do one or two things. I notice the views drop and the engagement is going to drop as well. So we keep telling creators and new creators, try to niche your channel. If you know you want to do a particular thing on your channel, stick to it. That's why you have the opportunity to have different channels, so you can actually have more than one YouTube account if you really want to do something broad and a lot of stuff at the same time. So this could actually be one of the reasons why you're losing your subscribers. People want to engage with something they can relate to. It happens to everybody. Nobody wants to keep seeing something they are not interested in. So make sure you are actually focusing on your audience, and you're listening and paying attention to what your community wants to see. Now, this particular one, the third reason why you're losing subscribers, a lot of us, even you watching this video, we are falling for this mistake. And right now, after this video, some people are still going to do the same mistake on their channel. A lot of persons are commenting the wrong way. See, whenever you see people commenting on a video, most times we're trying to do this thing to connect with each other, and we're trying to grow the relationship with one another. It is not a bad thing to support a creator. It is not a bad thing, for creators to follow each other. Now let me tell you something. YouTube is aware of all of these things. So whenever you are commenting the wrong way on a video, all in the name of getting subscribers, trust me, you're going to lose those subscribers, and at the same time, you're going to harm your channel. And not only harming your channel, you are going to spam the comment section of that creator. See, guys, there's what we call constructive comments, thoughtful comments. You need to comment according to the video you're watching. Whenever a creator drops a video, don't be in a hurry to just go ahead and comment. Come gather here, follow me. Some no, you need to do these things constructively. Yes, it works, it gives subscribers, but let me tell you, these subscribers, most of them do not stay on your channel. That is because they are doing these things because they just want to subscribe. They're not even interested in your content. They're not even interested in your channel. That's why most times when I see this kind of comment, I just laugh, because even if you tell me subscribe, you tell someone subscribe, and they go ahead and do this thing, not all of them will stay on your channel. Not all of them will stay on your channel. And you know what? You're sending spam signal to the algorithm. And when YouTube sees this kind of thing on comment sections, YouTube will definitely wait. After they have all subscribed, YouTube will take them off, because YouTube sees this as something manipulative, because we are doing it the wrong way. Make sure you watch a video. Watch that video at least 3 to 4 minutes long. Listen to what the creator is saying. Comment accordingly. Then you can at least add whatever you want to add. No, already you're commenting according to the video. You're not just going ahead to tell them, follow me, gather here, let's. Guys, we need to be very smart. 2025, YouTube is not joking with spam comments. So make sure you're not spamming a comment section. Make sure you are commenting constructively. You're commenting according to the video. A lot of us just see a video pop up, the next minute we just go to the comment section. Let's gather here, follow here, connect, vibe, whatever it is you're saying. You're not doing it right. Make sure you're commenting constructively according to the video. I keep saying this, according to the video. Some of you will still come to the comment section and do the same thing. So guys, be very careful. This could make you get a lot of subscribers. You see some people connecting to like 20 people, 100 people. That is too much. If I'm going to give you a candid advice, if you are going to connect to channels in a day, at least let it be 5 channels, especially when it's coming from the comment section. Don't connect to too many channels. You're going to lose all of those subscribers. And even the ones that connect to your channels, they will not stay. Most of them are just interested in getting the subscribers. They're not even interested in your comment, and you don't want that kind of thing for your channel. Definitely, trust me, this is one reason why many creators will still remain stuck. We think we're getting the subscribers the same way we're getting them, we're losing them as well. Now, the fourth reason why you could be losing subscribers on your channel, if you're still watching, hit the notification bell. If you're getting value, make sure you subscribe. Now, the fourth reason why you could actually be losing subscribers on your channel, inconsistency. A lot of us are not consistent on our channel. See, let me tell you, people like seeing you come back to them. When people come to your channel, they see you upload videos. You have a particular schedule. Some of us upload videos, irregularly. We're not constant. Now, inconsistency can actually make you lose subscribers. See, if you have an uploading plan, a schedule where you follow, and a lot of your subscribers are actually used to that upload schedule. And all of a sudden, you stop uploading videos, you stop showing up. Maybe you upload like 3 times a week and you start uploading once a week, maybe once in 2 weeks, once in a month. Yes, because you could actually be busy. Yes, it happens to me. Sometimes I could actually get busy and caught up with a lot of things, and I don't get to stay constant on my channel. This could actually affect your subscribers. Some of them will just go ahead and unsubscribe to your channel. Some may just lose interest in your channel and just, go over to another channel that, they know is going to show up at least. So, guys, let's be very careful when we stay inconsistent. It has a way of decreasing our subscribers and making us lose subscribers on our channel. So, I hope you're uploading video. If you're yet to upload a video, please do well to go and upload a video and engage with your community because they are waiting to see you upload a video. Now, the last reason why you're losing subscribers on your channel, this one is very unique and common. When you just tell your friends and family to just go ahead and subscribe to your channel, some of them just go ahead, subscribe, they don't even watch your videos. This action alone can make YouTube to remove those subscriptions because YouTube is going to see it as something that is not real, right? YouTube is trying to make this space fair enough for everybody so we can all get organic and real subscribers. So when you just go on a person's channel, you just subscribe, you walk away, you don't even watch their videos. Make sure these people are watching your video 2 3 minutes long, at least 3 minutes long. Let them watch the video. Let YouTube see their engagement. Let YouTube see the retention. So YouTube will understand that these people, they're actually real people. But when you go ahead, you just click on the subscription button, you walk away. Trust me, that could actually make you lose subscriber. YouTube will just assume those particular people are not real. So guys, let's do these things right. When you're doing it for someone, make sure you're doing it right. You watch their video before you subscribe. And whenever they're subscribing to you, let them watch your videos before they subscribe. Because when you do these things, you're not only hurting that channel, you're also hurting your channel because you could actually get shadow banned. Some of you will just subscribe to like 20 channels in a day. Just subscribe, pam, 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 pam. You don't even watch the videos. You could actually make your own channel get shadow banned. Shadow banned meaning you may not be getting views. That's a topic for another day. Really, is another topic another day. How do a channel get shadow banned? What is the meaning of shadow banning? We're going to talk about that in our next video. So I'm not trying to make this video too long. So with these few reasons, just check yourself. Which of this reason are you into? Which of them do you fall into? And make sure you watch yourself very well and avoid these things. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And tell me what you think in the comment section constructively, thoughtfully, and wisely. Bye.